Hey, homies. Get it? Homies. Because, like, you're at home. Okay, yes, you're right. That was definitely lame. I'm probably better off sticking to the point. Your teachers and I wanted to share with you a really cool poem called What I'm Made Of by Rebecca Kai Dotlich. Let's take a listen.
What I'm Made Of by Rebecca Kai Dotlich. Of open doors and closed ones, of rainstorms and race cars, and dreams of walking on the moon, of barn doors and basketball hoops, of maple donuts on autumn days, and bikes and guitars and dirt roads by campsites, of visits to cities with neon signs. I am made of grit and brave, hush and wind, of rockets and robots and snow forts, of fishing poles and beach lights and pines near bridges and old Cedar Road. I'm made of broken and craggy, of riddle and map and Highway 10, of fist bumps and scoreboards, of struggles with spelling and genius with numbers, of iron and snowfall and wonder.
It's really pretty cool. In the 50 seconds that it took to read that poem, we learned so much about who she is, her personality traits, what she values, what her history is, what is she good at, what does she need to work on in life. And that's when we got an idea. We thought, what if you wrote a poem using the same format of this original What I'm Made Of poem to tell the world who you are? Whoa, whoa, whoa. Don't freak out. The good news is, when you're writing poetry, you can't do it wrong. The key to writing your poem is going to be to knock out some brainstorming. So let's get started with that. First, you're going to go to your teacher's Schoology page. You're going to find a brainstorming PDF in the folder that has today's date. It looks like this. Next, you're going to put the brainstorming sheet in your poetry subject in Notability. What? You don't have a poetry subject in Notability? No problem. Just stop the video for a couple of seconds and make one. Okay, now that that's done, let's get to brainstorming things about you and your life for each category below. I know it's really tempting to skip the brainstorming part, but I gotta tell ya, brainstorming is the key to unlocking all of those really great ideas that are buried in your head. You may not believe they're there, but they are. Now remember, brainstorming is not incomplete sentences, and sometimes it can look a little messy. This is what mine looked like when I was starting out. It was kind of a slop fest, and to be honest with you, I didn't think I was going to use any of these things in my poem. What it did do was it gave me a place to start. So definitely take the time to do this step. Shoot for somewhere around 5 to 10 items in each of the categories. Once that's complete, you've finished part 1 of your very own What I'm Made Of poem. Congratulations, and see you next time.